craving burger perfection? Here's the key: the smash. Smashing maximizes surface area. Get ready for crispy edges and a juicy center in every single bite. Let's get started. Shape 150 grams of 80/20 ground beef very gently into a loose ball. A light touch prevents tough patties. Keep it tender. This is where burger magic begins. Set your cast iron skillet or heavy pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Heat until the oil shimmers. That's how you know it's ready. I once set off the smoke alarm making bacon. Proper ventilation is key. A well-heated pan, too. Kitchen mishaps happen, but the delicious reward is always worth it, right? Place the beef ball into the hot skillet. Immediately cover with parchment paper or use a burger press. Use a sturdy metal spatula to press firmly. Smash the patty to about 6 mm or 1/4 inch. Flatten it. Generously season the smashed patty with salt and fresh black pepper. Be bold. This is your flavor canvas. Generous seasoning equals unforgettable taste. Cook, undisturbed, for 2 to 3 minutes. A deep, dark crust should form. That's the Maillard reaction. It creates that incredible savory flavor we all crave. Want even more flavor? Add a pinch of garlic or onion powder. It's an extra layer of umami. Trust me. Carefully flip the burger. Look at that seared crust. Cook another 1 to 2 minutes. It should be cooked through to 71 degrees Celsius, or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Doesn't that look amazing? In the last 30 seconds, add a slice of cheddar. Let it melt into cheesy perfection. Get ready for that epic cheese pull. While the burger finishes, toast the brioche bun halves until golden. Use a toaster, broiler, or the skillet. For extra decadence, spread butter on the cut sides before toasting. A small detail, huge difference. Spread yellow mustard and ketchup on the toasted bun. Place the cheeseburger patty on the bottom bun. Top with dill pickle chips. Crown with the top bun. The best part? You're about to devour an incredibly delicious, restaurant-quality burger. Ready for that first, juicy bite? Serve immediately. Dive into the ultimate smashed burger experience. Crispy edges, juicy interior, unforgettable flavor. Burger perfection achieved. Make this yourself. Share your delicious creation. The complete recipe, with all measurements, is in the video description.